Good afternoon, this is Randall, and I am learning how to show you how to sharpen the lawnmower blades on a lawnmower without removing the blades. And I'm featuring today a DeWalt drill, and I have bought an attachment to go on my DeWalt drill that has a hex head on it, and it is a router tip that I bought this at Home Depot, and this is a router tip right here, and this is a drill attachment that will turn my impact drill into to have a tip like a regular drill. Then, because the router tips and tools like these do not have hex heads attachments on them, I can put this in the drill bit here and tighten it up. And now I have a grinder tip in my DeWalt impact drill. So I'm gonna lay this tools to the side here, and I got my drill right here with my grinding tip on the end of it. And I have my lawnmower here, and I'm going to show you, I could do this with my lawnmower laying on the side. Laying on its side, and I can take the drill bit, the drill, sharpen my blades on my lawnmower that easily. Go all the way down to the end. See, I can do the other side too. And that has my lawnmower blade sharpened on and I'm done. No removing the blades. Use my impact drill, and this attachment's from Amazon, and this router tip from Home Depot. Thank you very much for watching.